Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create discount codes on your Shopify store. It's a pretty simple process, so hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can create a discount code on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is log in into your Shopify account. Once you're in here, just click on discounts under the main page. Under here, you can see that I already have an active discount running, but this is how you can create a new one. So first click on create discount on the top right corner, and you can see all these various options. Now I'll explain each one of them in detail. So the first one is amount of products, which means you will get to give discounts on individual products rather than the whole cart, which is the second option, which is the amount of order option, in which you will get to give discounts on the entire order or the entire cart during checkout. This is probably the best option right now since I'm going to show you it as an example. The other one is buy X get Y. It is similar to the buy one get one free kind of stuff, which means there is a condition to the discount. If you buy this thing, you'll get a discount on that thing. And the last one is free shipping, which means you will get or you will give a universally free shipping discount for anyone who orders. And yeah, you can even set parameters like if there's a minimum order of about $50 or 10,000 rupees, only and only then will you get free shipping. All that stuff can be toggled around using Shopify's own settings. But now I'll show you how you can give amount of order discounts, which means a discount at the end of the checkout. This is pretty simple and easy to do. Once you're in here, this is the first page that you will get. And the first one is discount code or automatic discount, which means the user or the customer will not need to put in the discount code. He or she will get an automatic discount. But in this video, I'll show you how you can create a code. So this is what you have to do. Just type in anything that you want. You can even generate a code by clicking this. You'll get random numbers, but you can put in a custom code as well. Let's say I put in 25, which means I'll give a 25% to any customer who uses this code. You can even put codes like welcome 10, welcome 20 for first time buyers, so that you can inculcate a good relationship with someone who is on your store for the first time. All those options are there. And the next thing is value. Now you can even put a fixed amount, or you can even give percentage discounts. For now, since I have put it in the code as 25, I'll give 25% discount on the whole checkout. You can even put fixed amounts, which is you will have to tell the website what amount that you want to be discounted. That's it. It's pretty simple. And next thing is the minimum purchase requirements. Now, in order to get discounts, customers will need to satisfy any of these conditions. For now, I will put it as no minimum requirements, but you can always choose the other options, which is the minimum purchase amount, which means that if the customer purchases this much amount of product, only and only then will he or she get a discount. Or you can even select minimum quantity of items, which means they will have to purchase at least one item or two items in order to get that discount. But since this is a new store and I want to promote more customers and I want to promote to more customers, I will put it as no minimum requirements. The next thing is customer eligibility, wherein you can give discounts to specific customer groups. These are all the options. So customers who haven't purchased yet, they will get a discount, or customers who have purchased more than once. These are all the options that you have. Or even you have this option where it says abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, which means the checkouts that have been put in the cart but have not been bought in the last 30 days, you can give them an incentive to check out using the discount code. Now I'll select all of these, just in case. But yeah, you can specify each one of them in detail. You can see over here on the right side that I'm given a summary of my discount code. These are all the details that I have, 25% off the entire order. Up next is maximum discount uses. You can either limit number of times this discount can be used in total, or you can limit this to one customer. It is up to you and the kind of discount that you want to give. Let's say I want to limit this to one user since it is a new shop. And yeah, you can even select the combinations of discounts, which means you can either give 25% off and then not give them free shipping, but you can either give them a combination of both, which means they'll get free shipping as well as the 25% discount that we just put up. Now these are the active dates, so it will start as soon as I click save, but you can even put an end date if you want to. Just tap on this and you can put an end date, which means the discount will expire once that time period has been occurred. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can set up your discount code before saving it to your website. Just click on save discount, and that's it. Your discount code has now been created. Just copy the code and we will check it out on our store. So once you're here, just go to online store, go to themes, go to customize, and over here you can see that I have a Gimbismal store, which is a camera store for some sorts. Once you're here, go to any product that you want to check out. I'll go to this collection, I'll click on the monopods item. Once I tap on this, I'll click on buy it now and my checkout page should load up. Pretty simple. So as you can see, this is my checkout page and the discount code option is here. I'll just paste the discount code, click on apply, and you will see that my discount has been applied. I've got a 25% off on my overall checkout. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can create discount codes on your Shopify store. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.